Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to permanently delete your Instagram account in the easiest and most updated way. Whether you're taking a break from social media or ready to move on for good, following these steps will help you remove your account quickly. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged in to the account you want to delete. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, look at the top right of your profile screen and tap the three lines icon. This will open a menu with different options. From here, select Account Center. This is where Instagram centralizes most of its settings connected across Meta platforms. Inside the Account Center, tap on Personal Details. Then choose Account Ownership and Control. This section is where you'll manage sensitive settings like deactivation or deletion. Now, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. You'll see a list of accounts connected to your account center. Select the Instagram account you want to remove, and then choose Delete Account. Instagram will now guide you through the deletion process. Tap Continue to move forward. At this point, you'll be asked to confirm the decision by entering your account password. This step is necessary to make sure it's really you deleting the account. Once you've entered your password, tap Delete Account again. After this, your account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. Keep in mind that Instagram may delay full deletion for a short period in case you change your mind. But once that time passes, all your photos, likes, comments, and data will be gone permanently. And that's it. By following these steps, you can completely remove your Instagram account with confidence. If you ever feel ready to return, remember, you'll need to create a brand new account since this process cannot be undone once finalized.